The big question now, as of now, if the government, the central government as well as the state government, because of complications over here may not be able to do much as of now, but the central government has to come down very heavily. If the children are not behaving well, then the father has to come down to the children and beat them, or whatever he has to do it. I'm really upset why our Prime Minister is still upset. Why he is not spoken a single word. My people are burning and dying. And he is still quiet. Let it be any community. We are all Indians. Why he is keeping quiet? This is a problem which can be sorted out by him. He has to indulge. He is the chief prime minister of this country. He's not concerned about us. I served in the Indian Army and retired. I belong to Assam regiment. My Kuki boys are my ones. In my regiment, Kukis are there, Nagas are there, Maitais are there. Everyone is there from the entire notice. It pains. Kukis are also very good people. Maitais are also good people. Nagas also very good. We fought together wherever we went for the integrity of this country. And now I'm seeing my people burning, my state burning, dying. Very upset. I don't know what to say. It's very sad. It hurts.